Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on a journey to explore something truly mind-blowing, the vacuum of space. Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about all that empty space between the stars? Well, that's what we're talking about today. Now, when you hear vacuum, you might think of your vacuum cleaner at home, but the vacuum of space is totally different. It's a place where there's almost nothing at all, just a few tiny bits of stuff floating around. Imagine the emptiest place you can think of, and then multiply that emptiness by 1,000,000. So why is space a vacuum? It all goes back to the Big Bang, the giant explosion that created the universe about 13.8 billion years ago. This explosion sent stuff flying everywhere. Gravity pulled some of this stuff together to make stars and planets and galaxies. But the space between them stayed mostly empty, creating the vacuum. But hold on, space isn't completely empty. There are a few things floating around, like tiny bits of hydrogen, cosmic rays, and even light particles. There's also dark matter and dark energy, which are mysterious things that scientists are still trying to figure out. But even with these things, space is still incredibly empty. What would happen if you went into space without a spacesuit? Well, it wouldn't be good. Without air pressure, the liquids in your body would start to boil, and of course, you wouldn't be able to breathe. Luckily, astronauts have special suits to keep them safe. Here's another cool fact. Sound can't travel in space. Here on Earth, sound travels through the air. But in space, there's no air to carry the sound waves. So, it would be totally silent out there. You might have heard people talk about zero gravity in space. But that's not quite right. Gravity is everywhere in space. It's what keeps the planets going around the sun. But in the vast emptiness of space, the pull of gravity is very weak, so it feels like you're floating. Scientists even use vacuums here on Earth to study space. They build special vacuum chambers to test equipment and learn more about the universe. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember the amazing vacuum of space that lies between them. It's not just empty space. It's a place of mystery and wonder waiting to be explored. Keep looking up, and I'll see you in the next video.